Zachary and welcome to the Zachary Show. Today I'm going to be cooking with Roger Mooking.
So TELUS Spark has this great new thing. It's called Social Eatery by Roger Mooking, and yes, he's going to be doing a cooking class tonight. Zachary and Charlie are going to make cheese buns and chicken strips. There's a whole variety of food here at Social Eatery, and it's all designed for you to eat how you like it. You can customize your meal. You can pick and choose from here and there, and then you can go and make it up. So he's going to teach the kids how to make chicken strips and cheese buns. No parents.
Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Take this dough in your hand and make like a little dowel. You gotta make sure it spins. There you go, there you go. That's looking good.
I'm done.
Just take a good little handful of that cheese and sprinkle it. Not too much, because then it's going to be really hard to roll. But it's a cheese bun, so you want it cheesy, right? Okay, take a little bit of salt. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much, because that's what the doctor says.
Oh yeah.
Roll it up, roll it up. So now that you have it pinched like that, I want you to stand it up like a tower.
Oh yeah. Calgary Tower. Eiffel
Like the Calgary Tower.
I'm
Yeah,
following the
Calgary
Eiffel
Tower.
Tower. I'm following.
Eiffel Tower.
I'm following.
About half the size.
Yep, it's a square tower. Next
See
one.
that? Yep. Press it down a little bit more.
Do we get to eat it right now?
Take some more cheese.
Oh, more cheese. Oh my
And
god.
you put it on top.
I love cheese.
That looks crazy, right? So let me see your stations. Hold up your buns. Hold up your buns. Nice, nice.
What does it?
Is everybody's hands up ready to go?
Yeah, I just like
Okay, everybody's ready to go. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We take our chicken and we put it on one side of the paper. So what I want you to do now is take the other part of the paper and fold it over like that. We're gonna keep the chicken.
I'm so happy I enjoyed it. I'm happy I changed my mind. I'm happy I
You want to also use another part of your hand that's more like a hammer. You make a fist like this and use this part like this. There you go. Yeah, put it all over the chicken.
It looks like guts.
Flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. These are Japanese style breadcrumbs called Panko. Can everybody say Panko?
Panko.
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 P-A-N-K-O. Panko.
Panko.
Awesome. Just use your fork and put the chicken inside of the flour on both sides like this, okay? Yeah, a little shake, and then you put it in the egg, nice and flat. Put both sides inside of the egg like that, and then put it in the panko. Toss, cover it in the panko. Make sure it's all covered in panko. How's that going, y'all? Good. We take it and we're gonna dump them in the oil. We're gonna fry it nice and crispy.
Now we have to do the taste test. Not bad. Could use a little bit extra mustard, but still pretty good.
Ooh.